Hello there, how's going on, lads? In this video we're gonna just take a look about how we can make a simple and easy web view by just loading an HTML string on it. So it's just simple. Let's make it very simple. So I'm going to create a new project from scratch. It's going to be an iOS and with an app. Click next. I'm going to name it as WebView HTML demo, and I'm going to click next, and I'm going to save it in my iOS projects folder. Just create that. Here we go. Once you're done with this, let's go to the main.storyboard. We just going to implement over here a web kit. So just drag it over here in the storyboard like this. Make it simple and easy. I'm going to drag it over here to the entire view overall, and let me put my some constraint over it. Simple, easy. Alright then, so let's go to the assistant editor and make a IB outlet for that. Alright, so just click this and drag it over here. I'm going to name it as WebView. Once you're done that, there could be an error because we need to import here like web kit. Good, simple. Then here inside this viewDid load, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do let constant, which is for the HTML string which I need to initiate. So let HTML string, that is going to be a string, and it's going to be your string inside this. All right, and then I'm going to implement like web view dot load HTML string as you find here. Inside this, I'm going to bring it here the HTML string, and the base URL going to be a bundle. Either you can put nil or else like this bundle.main.bundle URL. Let it be like that. And I do have a predefined URL which I have. So if you want to copy the same, means I will be giving this HTML string in my video description. You can just follow that by copying it from my video description and come back to this Xcode, then just place it over here. Simple. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to initiate and let me run it in a simulator, and let me run this and check what we have done so far. It's simple and easy. We don't need to go for info plist and add for the load HTML arbitrary loads or something else. That's for that a kind of different kind, but here we just loading a simple HTML string, so this will be enough. All right, here we go. This is simple, very simple. This is just a HTML string which I already prepared for this tutorial. So it's just having few text and few fonts and all these things, and with the background color, all these things. So it's just a simple web view with the loading our HTML string, and I hope this video will help someone else. All right then, so if you want looking for this HTML, you can find it from my video description as I said already. So that's all in this video. Take it easy. See you in the next video, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.